Hello, and we are doing Lucy's makeup tutorial, right, Lucy?
Yes.
What are you gonna do?
So on the
What
sit down,
theme? What theme?
it's a mermaid theme.
And she even put on mermaid earrings.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, my earrings.
There.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna start. Okay, so first, why don't you turn it to me? Okay, so we're gonna start with your blush.
Okay.
And we're gonna okay. So we are gonna do your blush first. And that way, first let's do foundation. We need to do foundation.
No, I have foundation. See?
That's not foundation. Here's foundation. Okay, let me spray it on you. Let me rub it in. Hold on. Good job. Okay, now blush.
Little blush.
Yeah, blush. That means you put it on your face, and then it's gonna go.
It looks so pretty. You can't do too much.
Okay, that looks good. I'm gonna do a little bit of like this blush, and I'll do some pink blush. This is helping you get started. Okay.
Why do you need to do pink blush?
Wait, this might be foundation. Okay, this is foundation. So we have that pretend foundation and a real foundation.
That's real foundation.
Don't put it on your mouth. Okay. And you can look in your mirror to see yourself.
I look pretty.
So now she has her foundation on. So now we put that back, and now it's time for blush. What we just did was foundation, now it's time for blush. This is her pink blush.
Again, and I love blush so much.
Yes, you do.
And my favorite part of makeup tutorials is lipstick and blush.
So she's doing her favorite part right now.
Yeah.
Okay, so can I have your... Oh, you just a little bit more. I don't think you'll be able to see that much, but that's how it works. Right? Okay. Yeah. Pink is done.
Pink is done.
Yeah, okay. Now it is time for your eyeshadow. So if you want to be like a mermaid, you might need to put like a blue because it's under the sea. So we're going to do blue, okay?
Yeah. Oh, we don't have purple for Elsa.
No, we're not doing Elsa. We're doing just a little bit, okay? Just a little bit. I'll try. Now the other side. Oh, I need a little bit more for that. You look beautiful. Okay, I don't think the other one you'll be able to see a lot, but we'll try. I'm gonna try a little bit more for that. Oops. Sorry, that might hurt a little bit, right? I'll just fix it. I'll just rub your eyes a little bit so it blends in. Okay, that's good. So we're done. You see, if you can see, I don't know if you can really see, but she has blush.
Yes, I love my makeup blush.
Okay, hold on. Let's see. Okay, now we're gonna do some lip gloss. Pink lip gloss.
Pink lip gloss.
It's actually first we're gonna do like a light lipstick, then lip gloss.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do this light pink lip gloss.
Light pink.
Light pink right here.
Yeah, light pink. Light pink is perfect for me because mermaids have light pink or red.
Okay. Put your mouth like this. Okay, not like that. we are going to we just put on her like lip gloss, and now we're gonna do more blush because we don't have a lot. See, you don't see anything, so I think I'm gonna do a little bit more. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, I can see it now. Other side. That's good. Now you have beautiful blush. Hold on, do you know what I need to do? I need to rub it in with this. It's a little dabber, so stay like that, and I'm just gonna dab, 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 dab. Other side. Dab, 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 dab. And I'm also gonna dab on your eyes. Dab, 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 dab. Dab, 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 dab. Okay, you are done with your makeup. So how do you like it?
I'm going my mermaid tail.
Oh yeah, she's gonna put on her mermaid tail. Uh-oh. Hold on. Just wait. I just will be back because I dropped something. Don't worry. I zoom up. Okay, put it on. Lucy has her mermaid tail. Don't worry, I'm just putting stuff away. Don't worry, it's nothing like an emergency. You don't need to panic. It just, yeah. So yeah, I'm just putting stuff away. And this is my hand. It's very big. Actually, it's not that big. You can just see it. And I'm 7. How old are you, Lucy? Yeah. So yes, she is 4.
I'm a mermaid tail.
Oh, okay. I will show you. Okay, this is Lucy in her mermaid tail. Okay, can you lay down? Hold on, we need to set this up. Okay. And I'm going to put your feet like this. And now you have your mermaid tail. And there's actually a little spot where her feet can go, so that way she can cover up her feet and no one can see. So, why don't you pull up your dress? Pull up your dress a little bit more. Your belly button. Okay, so this is her beautiful mermaid tail. So how does everyone like it? I think everyone likes it. That's it for today. Lucy, can you say goodbye?
Bye.
We'll be making more makeup tutorials on like Elsa and stuff like that. And maybe even Anna. So have a nice time, everyone. We love you, right, Lucy?
Yeah, I love you also. Love you so much. Like a billion even times ago.
Peace out.
Bye.